Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all a recipe that is perfect for this Easter, and that is for shrimp and bamboo shoot soup. So stay tuned, let me show you how it's made.
So guys, to make this we need some fresh bamboo shoots, or if you can't find fresh bamboo shoots, which I got this at Futong supermarkets, you can get the ones in the can. And what we're going to do is remove this hard skin from the outside. You want to get down to the really nice, soft, tender shoot inside. Just want to remove that, cut off this bottom piece that's hard. You want to get the nice tender piece. So I'm going to continue to peel back at the leaves. So once you get to the nice, soft, delicate part of the bamboo shoot, we're going to set that aside and we're going to continue cleaning the rest of the shoots. Okay, so once you've cleaned the bamboo shoots, you're going to cut them into a half, and we're going to cut these into strips. And we're just going to place this in a bowl with some water. So to a pot with hot water, we're going to add in our bamboo shoots. We're going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes to get that bitterness out of the bamboo shoots. Okay, so this is finished. I'm going to drain it and then we'll continue with the recipe. So to make this, we're going to start in our pot with some garlic infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. To that oil, I'm going to go in with some green Thai curry paste. You just want to wake it up in the oil for about 20 seconds. And guys, this is available at Futong supermarket here in Florida, and if you wanted to and you're living in Trinidad and you can't find it, and you can check in Sincere's in San Fernando, they may have it, but you can also order it online on Amazon. This, I'm going to go in with some shrimp. You can use chicken or pork, whatever you like. Season lightly with some salt, very lightly guys, and some black pepper. We're going to be adding some fish sauce to this, so you don't want to go too heavy on the salt. So you want to mix, and you want to sear those shrimp until they're nice and pink. I'm going to go in with some bell peppers, and I like using the mini bell peppers. I find that they're much more sweeter. And I'm going to go in with my bamboo shoots. And I'm going to go in with some coconut milk. I'm going to go in with some chicken stock. I'm going to go in with some black mushrooms. You can use any type of mushrooms you like. You want enough liquid in there to cover your vegetables, whatever you put in here. And I'm going to go in with some fish sauce, just a little because it can be very salty, and some palm sugar, or you can use coconut sugar. And we're going to mix this and bring it up to a boil. So once the soup comes up to a simmer, you're going to allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. It's not going to take very long. Shrimp doesn't take very long, and the bamboo shoots are already cooked. So guys, this is finished. I'm going to dish it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Remember, you can make it with any type of protein that you like, or even vegetarian. Try some fried tofu in here, it would be amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.